Rain is falling down on streets. Rain is calling her home to sleep. Slightly it's pouring down like shiny pearls hidden ground. The rain is falling light and silent, a symbol of pure innocence. She pretends the world is washing away, turn into a brighter day. She is running along the road. She is sad and something touched the soul. She is desperately ignoring the pain to avoid dying in sorrow and vain.